Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to deploy a website on Netlify. So if you have created a website and you want to deploy it somewhere online so anyone can access it, or maybe you want to showcase your work. So I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to go to the browser and there you have to search for Netlify. You will get this first link, click onto it and you will be onto its website. So simply sign up using your email address or these other options. Simply select to any one these, then you have to fill out this option like your name and how do you plan to use Netlify and who you are or these options, and you also have to give it a name to create your team and click on continue. Then you can select these options to deploy your work from there, otherwise you can skip it and you will be onto this page. So this will be the first interface that you will see. On the left side, you can see we have different options. You have to select the first option, the name that we created initially for our team, or you can say our project. Simply click on it and you will get to this page. Now what you have to do is then you have to click onto this option, which is that you have to deploy it manually. Simply click onto it and then from your system you have to upload the file. But here's a small catch before you upload your file. It only accepts the files that ends with HTML, CSS or JS. Like you have to upload these files and you must name it index. So your file will be index.html and that file should be in a zip. Otherwise it would not accept it. After that you will be on to this page, but let's say you're not onto this page. So from the left side you can see we have this option for the projects at the top. You have to click onto it, then you have to click onto overview, then here you will see the website you have uploaded. Simply click onto it and it will open. Then you can open it up and your website will open. I have a very basic page, that's why it is like this, but if you have created your full website with all the elements then you will be able to see it here. So that's how you can deploy a website on Netlify. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.